Hello, my name is David, and I can tell you that I could understand everything that you said, even though I feel that in some words, when you said something like now or even now, something like that, it feels really different to what I'm used to heard. And I think that's very normal because I'm not a native American speaker, a native English speaker. I'm a Spanish speaker from Central America, and I think that your your accent is very understandable, and I think it's nice because if somebody that is not a native English speaker can understand your accent, that means that you can be understood by all, all the Americans and all the English speakers. I don't know, but sometimes with that E that you said that you have, it's very, I don't know, it's something like in Spanish, or here in Central America that sometimes we stop and but when we use that E, is for try to search a word in our own language, and sometimes we translate that E to the English. I feel that you have an accent that is not that different to what we're used to hear here, even though you you have some words, and in some words you feel this man is not from, this is not the same English that I am used to hear. Well, I hope this will answer your request, and I would like you to to give me a feedback of my English, of my accent. I know that I have one, and I would like to know if is that strong or is not that strong. Thanks.